These are the top 3 cutest dog Halloween costumes that will melt your heart this Halloween. But before that, if you love cute dogs, hit like and subscribe. At number 3, it's the Ghost Pup. Just a tiny white sheet with 2 little eye holes. Spooky but absolutely adorable. Number 2 goes to the Bat Dog. This brave little hero is ready to save the night, or at least steal your candy. And number 1, the Chucky Dog, dressed in the iconic striped shirt, overalls, and even holding a little toy knife. It's scary and cute all at once. So which costume wins your heart? Comment below.